Second is speech AI. So what is the speech AI? Speech AI enabled to machine to recognize, understand, and generate spoken language. Right. What exactly it is? It is three format. Speech AI speech is three format. Speech to text, text to speech, and speech recognition. Right. So here we can see there are three example I tested. This is also I downloaded from the Google. So first example is the speech to text. So nowadays everyone is using the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, you can see now there is a feature. You can push the mic and it means you can pause the press the mic button and then whatever you will speak that will convert it into the text. So that is the very best example of the speech to text. Earlier that this was not available, but nowadays that is available in your WhatsApp. So translating your voice message into the text, right? In Zoom meeting, in WhatsApp. So speech text is like that. Text to speech. Text to speech is a GPS system reading direction aloud, right? So this is the GPS system you can see nowadays everyone is using GPS for going anywhere and go to any specific location and the location you don't know. So you use the GPS. In that everything is written in the text format and GPS what it does, it convert the text into speech so that you can hear and basis of that you can get the proper direction and instruction guideline and you reach the destination. This is the speech to text. Whereas is speaker recognition. Speaker recognition, you can see speaker recognition. Speaker recognition is the identify the person based on their voice used in the secure voice authentication system. This is something whenever a speaker is speak, so basis of that we can recognize who is speaking. This is the speaker recognition. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is the focus on the helping machine understand, interpret, and generate the human language. Right. So, for example, sentiment analysis. Analyze the customer review and determine if they are positive or negative. Right. So this is the something about the natural language processing example. Means whatever the user write in a feedback, basis of that you can analyze what is the customer sentiment. Is it a happy customer? Is it a sad customer? Or is it a social? Everything we can base of the customer review we can analyze basis of that we can proceed for our site or wherever we get that feedback basis of that we can proceed that what will be the next step. So this is the something is the sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis another example is also we have that whenever you talk in the customer care in that computerized uh, data option are available basis of that whatever you speak and the instruction comes and you follow the instruction and whatever you want to get you if you get then it's okay otherwise at the end of the call they provide you the feedback option. So in the feedback option normally nowadays 1 to 10 rating are there. So once you give the rating